I just need a couple of people that actually. What's your name?
Eva.
I'm going to try using you too.
Okay.
Let's try putting you down here. If I can have you lay down, just like this. Perfect. Just lay straight back to me. Okay, good. And could you go around? Okay, you know what? You're a little, she's around here. You're a little short. All right. You come up for a second. I'm sorry. No offense.
Okay.
You know, good things come in full packages, though. No, that's a good thing. What's your name? Emily. Nice to meet you. Could you come right over here for me for a second? And I want you to lay down for me. Okay, perfect. Just like that. And put your head back. I got you. Okay, put your hands over your, just like that. And grab her wrist for me. Okay? Just don't let go of her wrist. And would you be kind to grab her, her ankles, okay? Just grab her ankles. You can pick up her legs. Is that okay? You okay? Okay, good, good. What we're going to try here is I'm going to ask you to apply equal pressure, okay? Both of you are going to apply equal pressure. And just keep on pulling, all right? Just pull as if you want to drag her off the bench. You pull as if you want to drag her off the bench this way, okay? Okay, are you okay? Would you do me a favor? Close your eyes for a second. Perfect. All right, good. I want you to apply even pressure. Don't squeeze, close your eyes. And I want you to just pull right now. Let's pull. Pull! Can we ask you?
Yes.
What did you just do?
Unbelievable. I don't know what just happened. Look, I'm sure I don't know what just happened. Her legs went one way and her head and the rest of her body went the other way. Scary. Look, I'm just shaking. This is scary.
This is unbelievable how he did that. I don't know. That's amazing.